Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Now that the lockdown here in London is easing and things are returning to some kind of normality, one thing that's become very apparent is the fact that most of the people I know are desperate to reconnect with old friends. They're desperate to socialise, they're desperate to meet up, catch up with all the news, see how everybody is, talk face to face rather than via computers. The other day I was walking down my road here in North London to go to the shops and I bumped into a lovely neighbour of mine, and he said to me, "Hey, listen, if you fancy popping round, we're having a little do round at our place on Saturday afternoon." "Very kind of you to invite me," I said. "We'll see what we can do." We often use a do as a noun to talk about a social event or a party. So maybe if you work in a school, you might say, "Hey, listen, it's the end of term next Friday, so we've decided to have a little do in the bar round the corner after work to celebrate." Obviously, in the UK, a do usually involves some kind of drinking to go with the talking, and maybe a few nibbles, some peanuts or some crisps or whatever. Sometimes you might have to go to a work do, some kind of work social event where you have to network and meet other people. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section, we'd love to hear about do's that you've been to.